Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
सर आप वो क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला जो फॉर्म था उसको दोबारा से ग्रुप में भेज सकते हैं क्या प्लीज?
हाँ, मैं भेज सकता हूँ अगर और वैसे भी कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप ऑफिशियल नंबर पे मैसेज कर सकते हो, ठीक है? क्या?
ओके।
आप लोगों ने अपना फीडबैक भेज दिया है? एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया है क्या आप में से किसी ने? सृष्टि आपने कर दिया?
नहीं सर, आई विल डू दिस बाय द इवनिंग।
नो, अगर आप आज 12 बजे से पहले भेज दो तो सही रहेगा,
ओके सर।
क्योंकि आज जब शाम को जो गेस्ट आएंगे उनके सामने कुछ एक दो लोगों को बोलना पड़ेगा तो हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे, इसलिए कह रहे हैं। ओके,
ओके सर, भेज दूंगी 12 बजे से पहले।
जिसने भी नहीं भेजा है वो भेज सकता है, जो भी यहाँ पर है 12 बजे से पहले भेज सकता है।
Good morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग सेजल।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। Tejas, today we see a doc. Today we see a documentary movie. Okay.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, today I am having a network issue. If my call drops out, can you make me rejoin?
Okay, okay, Supri.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. ओके, बाकी लोग जब तक आ रहे हैं मैं कुछ चीज़ें बता दूं। जिनको कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है आज के सेशन में, अगर वो पूछना चाहते हैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन, तो मैं फॉर्म शेयर कर दूंगा ग्रुप में, आप उसमें भी भेज सकते हो, या तो आप पर्सनल ऑफिशियल नंबर पे भी भेज सकते हो। जो भी क्वेश्चन है, जो भी हमने अभी तक किया है, जो भी जाना है कल के बारे में या उससे पहले के बारे में, जो आपके मन में कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है। फिर वो
सर
मिनट
सर आप बोल रहे थे मैं लिख के भेजना है, तो सर मैं आज भेज सकती हूँ उसे, मीन्स कब तक भेजना है वो, हमें लास्ट डेट क्या है सबमिशन की?
लास्ट डेट तो ऐसी कुछ नहीं है। जितना हो सके आज आप लोग आज 12 बजे से पहले भेज देंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है।
ओके
तो
सर, थैंक
हाँ, तो दूसरा यही था कि जो भी एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं आपके, ये हमको आज 12 बजे से पहले भेज दें। तो कुछ लोगों को आज शाम को भी मौका मिलेगा, जो गेस्ट आएंगे हमारे, उनके सामने बताने को, प्रेजेंट करने को, ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट चीज, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप पर्सनल नंबर पे वो डाल सकते हो, मैसेज कर सकते हो। हम कोशिश करेंगे कि वो शाम को पूछा जा सके। एंड द सेकंड इज, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करिए 12 बजे से पहले, जिससे हम उसको देख पाएंगे और कुछ लोगों को मौका देंगे। एंड द थर्ड वन इज, आप सब में से किसको शांति मंत्र आता है? आप सब शांति मंत्र रिसाइट कर सकते हो 21 डेज को, सॉरी 30th को, संडे को। संस्कृत बोलना आता है किसी को?
सर शांति मंत्र वही वाला जो जिसकी स्टार्टिंग ऐसे होती है, ओम द्यो शांति अंतरिक्ष। ये सर हमारे स्कूल ने करवाया था यार,
अच्छा,
मुझे
ठीक है।
आता है।
और किसी को भी आता हो तो प्लीज मुझे मैसेज, मतलब पर्सनल नंबर पे, ऑफिशियल नंबर पे मैसेज करिएगा। मैं ना आपके साथ वो ऑडियो शेयर कर दूंगा। जस्ट अ मिनट। पावर, सॉरी, उस शांति मंत्र में ना पावनी 5 मंत्र होंगे, ठीक है, 5 शांति मंत्र मेन। तो वो जिसको भी जो भी करना चाहता है, जो भी बोल सकता है, तो मैं वो ऑडियो और स्क्रिप्ट शेयर कर दूंगा। तो आप सब मुझे अपने वीडियोस बना के पहले भेजिएगा ऑफिशियल नंबर पे, फिर हम सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे कि हम, ठीक है। तो ऑडियो मैं भेज दूंगा उसका, और स्क्रिप्ट भी भेज दूंगा आपको शांति मंत्र का। और आप लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस जो अभी आपके बोला गया मोनोलॉग भेजने को, आप 12 बजे से पहले हमको भेज सकते हैं आज। और शाम के लिए कोई क्वेश्चन है आपका, जितने भी अब तक आपने सेशन लिए हैं उनके बारे में कोई जो चीजें आई डिवाइन या बहुत सारी चीजें आई, स्वामी विवेकानंद के लिए क्वेश्चन है, तो आप पूछ सकते हैं आज शाम को, ठीक है। इसके लिए आप, मैं वो फॉर्म शेयर कर दूंगा ग्रुप में, तो आप उस फॉर्म में भेज दीजिएगा, या आप हमें ऑफिशियल नंबर पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, ओके।
सर आपने जो कहा मोनोलॉग में, क्या वो कल मैं क्या ये बोल सकती हूँ कल?
कल?
हाँ
हाँ, कल भी बोल सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आपका रेडी है तो आप आज हमें भेज सकते हो, तो हम देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि 12 बजे से अगर पहले पहले भेज दोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आज ही सब
सर,
लोगों को। हाँ हाँ,
सर क्या भेजना है?
भेजना है इतने दिनों। अरे कल बताया नहीं था आपने, क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया इस 21 डेज पावर चैलेंज में, आपने क्या सीखा,
ओ,
क्या, वो सब आपको लिख के भेजना है ऑफिशियल नंबर पे या
ओ,
पंकज सर के नंबर पे। आज जो भी 12 बजे से पहले भेज देगा वो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। कल भी उसको बोलने का मौका मिलेगा और परसों भी उसको बोलने का मौका मिलेगा, ठीक है। तो हमारे पास
सर
3 दिन।
मोनोलॉग
हाँ,
सर
आप बताओ।
मोनोलॉग देखकर बोलना पड़ेगा?
अब आप लिखा आपने होगा, आपको देख के बोलना है या ऐसे ही बोलना है, कैसे भी बोल सकते हो, कोई उसकी वो नहीं है। वो बाकी इंस्ट्रक्शन हम दे देंगे, इसको हम बोलने को कहेंगे, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
Hey. You just wait for 1 minute and we will start. इन द आज के लिए चीज, आज हम ना एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखेंगे। हमने कल शाम को बात किया था ना कि हम एक मूवी देखेंगे, तो वो 54 मिनट्स की है। इसलिए आज मेडिटेशन और योगा नहीं होगा। वो आज आपकी मूवी पूरी मेडिटेशन है और योगा है। तो जिसको भी मैंने बोला था कि वो करेगा या करेगा, अगर हमको कल या परसों में कुछ भी टाइम मिलता है तो हम जरूर मॉर्निंग नंदिनी, तो हम उसको करेंगे। ओके, तो मैं मूवी प्ले कर रहा हूँ और मैं एक बार फिर से चीज़ें बता देता हूँ। आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने हैं हमारे साथ 12 बजे से पहले। आज कल भी भेज सकते हो, परसों भी भेज, लेकिन आज जो भी लोग 12 बजे से पहले शेयर कर सकते हैं प्लीज शेयर करें हमारे साथ। उनमें से कुछ लोगों को शाम के सेशन में वो प्रेजेंट करने का मौका मिलेगा। दूसरी चीज, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है अभी तक भी जो सेशंस हुए हैं, आपने जो जाना है उसके बारे में, तो आप हमको पर्सनल नंबर पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, ऑफिशियल नंबर पर, उस क्वेश्चन के साथ, और दूंगा उसको आप उसमें भरकर अपना क्वेश्चन फिल करके हमें भेज सकते हैं। ठीक है, ये 2 चीजें हैं। और तीसरी चीज भी कोई थी क्या, मैं भूल रहा हूँ? यस चिन्मय, कुछ कहना है आपको?
शांति मंत्र वाली बात।
शांति मंत्र, जिस मैं शांति मंत्र
कह रहे हो आप वो फिर से कहोगे?
हाँ, मैं फिर से कह देता हूँ।
सर क्या बोल रहे सब 12 बजे से लेकर सबको शेयर करना है?
मैं बता रहा हूँ नंदिनी, सुनो, आई स्पीक। यस चिन्मय, बताओ क्या कहना है?
सर मैं पूछ रहा था कि हमें जो हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बताना है वो पेपर पे देना है या फिर टाइप करके भी भेज सकते हैं?
समझा नहीं मैं, क्या कह रहे हो?
मैं कह रहा हूँ सर
आज
हमें
रात 12 बजे तक करना है ना?
के देंगे या फिर पेपर में लिख के स्कैन करके देंगे या फिर ऐसी टाइप करके भी दे सकते हैं?
अच्छा, जैसे भी आप देना चाहो, स्कैन करके दोगे या फोटो खींच के दोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, हम देख लेंगे। टाइप करके देना तो आप टाइप करके भी दे सकते हो, उसकी कोई प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं। ठीक है,
ओके सर।
और आज रात 12 बजे से पहले नहीं, आज दिन के 12 बजे से पहले आपको भेजना है। रात
सर
इवनिंग का सेशन शाम को है, ठीक है? आज शाम को है। ये दिव्यांश के लिए था, दिव्यांश पूछ रहा था ना। आप लोग भेज सकते हो आज 12 बजे। तोषा, आप बताओ।
वीडियो बनाकर भेजना है?
नहीं, लिख के मोनोलॉग आप बोलोगे तो वो आपके लिए होना चाहिए, तो हम बता देंगे कि कौन बोलेगा। जो आज आएंगे उनको भी आगे बोलने का मौका मिलेगा, किसी ना किसी को 3 दिन तक आपको मौका मिलेगा अपनी बातें शेयर करने का। और द लास्ट इज कि आप ना कुछ कह रहे हो आप क्या?
सर मैं अभी भेज दिया हूँ आपके नंबर पर।
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू। और द लास्ट थिंग इज, जिसको भी शांति मंत्र आता हो, मैं शांति मंत्र का आपको आपके साथ ऑडियो शेयर करूंगा और क्या कहते हैं कि स्क्रिप्ट शेयर करूंगा। आप में से जो भी उसका रिसाइट कर सकता है उसको अच्छे से, मुझे प्लीज उसका एक क्लिप बना के भेजिएगा अपना। और उसमें 5 मंत्रास होंगे, आप उसमें से 1 2 3 4 अगर पूरे कर लेते तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, एक भी कर पाते हैं तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं, 2 3 जितने आप कर सकते हैं उसका एक वीडियो हमको मुझे बना के भेजिएगा। हाँ अभिनव बताओ।
सर मेरे को आता है।
ओके अरमान, हम शेयर करेंगे आपके साथ, ठीक है?
जी
हाँ अभिनव बोलो।
सर मेरे को भी।
ओके सभी को खाना है, सब बोलो।
Sir, can you repeat once again because I am not able to join because of network issues.
ओके करते हैं, ये लास्ट टाइम होगा, ध्यान से सुन लो, फिर हमको मूवी देखनी है। आज हमारे पास टाइम की कमी है। ओके अभिनव कुछ कह रहे हो, जल्दी से बताओ।
सर I raised my hand to tell शांति मंत्र।
ठीक है, मैं ना ऑडियो शेयर करूंगा और स्क्रिप्ट भी शेयर करूंगा, तो आप मुझे ना अपना एक वीडियो क्लिप बना के भेजना, देन फिर हम आपको और अच्छे से बता। लेकिन ये शांति मंत्र वाला प्रोसेस लास्ट डे होगा, ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग में अपने हमारे सेशन में। तो पहला था ये शांति मंत्र वाला, नायशा और बाकी सब लोग ध्यान से सुन ले जो अभी आए हैं। शांति मंत्रा जिसको भी आता है उसके साथ मैं ऑडियो शेयर करूंगा, स्क्रिप्ट शेयर करूंगा, वो अपना एक वीडियो क्लिप बना के भेजेगा। अगर वो बोल सकता है अच्छे से, संस्कृत में होगा वो, अगर आप बोल सकते हैं अच्छे से तो आप मुझे अभी ऑफिशियल नंबर पर मैसेज भी कर सकते हो कि सर मैं कर सकता हूँ। जिनने भी यहाँ पे बोलना है मैं उनको ऑडियो शेयर कर दूंगा और स्क्रिप्ट भी शेयर कर दूंगा, ग्रुप में भी डाल दूंगा, जिससे कि जो भी करना चाहे वो कर सकता है। लेकिन उससे पहले आपको हम शांति मंत्र का हम सबको एक वीडियो क्लिप बना के भेजना पड़ेगा हमारे लिए, तब हम उसमें डिसाइड करेंगे। दूसरा, आप सबको अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने हैं आज 12 बजे से पहले। जो लोग भी आज 12 बजे से पहले कर सकते हैं वो प्लीज कर दें। उनमें से किन्हीं कुछ लोगों को शाम के सेशन में वो प्रेजेंट करने का मौका मिलेगा। तीसरा, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है अभी तक आपने जो जाना है या कल जो आपने सीखा है या कल देखा है उससे पहले जो पंकज सर ने बताया उसके बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन है, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में, डिवाइन के बारे में, ऐसी बहुत सारी बातें हमने की, माइंड के बारे में अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है आपको तो आप उसको ऑफिशियल नंबर पर मैसेज कर सकते हैं या मैं आपको फॉर्म शेयर कर दूंगा ग्रुप में, तो आप उस फॉर्म को फिल करके भी अपना क्वेश्चन शेयर कर सकते हैं। ओके, डन।
मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी हम एक ऑडियो विजुअल देखेंगे, तो हम वो शुरू करते हैं। और बाकी किसी को भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो वो आप पर्सनली ऑफिशियल नंबर पे मैसेज करेगा। अभी इस बीच में जो जब ये मूवी चलेगी कोई किसी की आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप बता सकते हो, अदरवाइज बिल्कुल भी आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Sir, the start the meditation.
नहीं, आज मेडिटेशन नहीं होगा और आज योगा भी नहीं होगा, आज हम एक मूवी देखेंगे और आप प्लीज कीप क्वाइट ऑल ऑफ यू।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग अद्वैत।
Good morning, sir.
बस हो गया, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
सुप्रभात सुप्रभात।
सर,
अब
सर,
जल्दी 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 हाँ
सर,
बोलो।
तो वो जो शांति मंत्र है जो हमें वीडियो बनानी है सर, वो हमें कब तक भेजनी है?
वो आप आज भी भेज सकते हो शाम तक और कल शाम तक भेज सकते हो, ठीक है। उसके बाद हमें डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा। ओके, कल शाम तक आप
ओके
अपनी
सर।
वीडियोस भेज सकते हो उनको। अच्छा,
ओके सर।
अभी मैं सबको वो म्यूट कर रहा हूँ। अब किसी को कर म्यूट है। लेट्स प्ले। अभी मैं जस्ट प्ले कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे बताना साउंड आ रहा है कि नहीं। अब ना साउंड आ रहा है, वीडियो दिख रहा है। अभिनव,
सर यार वॉइस इज कमिंग।
हाँ नहीं मेरी वॉइस नहीं, वीडियो की वॉइस आ रही कि ये बता देना मुझे बस। जस्ट हाँ अपने हाँ एक मिनट, हाँ एक मिनट।
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय।
सर in between of this movie, sir,
हाँ बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो।
yes ma'am. Sir, I am saying that sir, in between of this audio, sir, that a black screen is coming by which the backward of that which is glowing we can't see.
अच्छा जस्ट अ मिनट, हाँ एक बार मैं फिर से प्ले करता हूँ।
Okay sir.
अद्विक क्या कहना है आपको?
सर ग्रे कलर का एक स्क्वायर काइंड ऑफ आ रहा है, दिख नहीं रहा बिल्कुल भी, बस साउंड आ रही है एंड सब कुछ ठीक आ रहा है।
ओके ठीक है, ए भैया उठ रहो। हाँ स्क्रीन पर कुछ दिख रहा है, ये बताओ।
सर दिया दिख रहा है।
अरे ओके
दिया
ठीक है, ओके ठीक है, ओके ओके। सुनाई दे रहा है?
1886, October. Calcutta, the then capital of India.
Sir, no.
A group of young men came to live together in a dilapidated house at Boranagore in North Calcutta. They were forsaken as some worthless, destitute boys. But they were molded by the ideas and ideals of their spiritual master, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Sri Ramakrishna had passed away a few months ago. But before that, he had instilled in them the love for God, the spirit of renunciation and brotherly love. One day, at the Kashipur Garden House, Sri Ramakrishna distributed ochre robes to them and sent them out to beg food. In this way, he himself initiated them into a life of renunciation and laid the foundation of a new monastic order. The resolve of these youngsters to form a brotherhood was strengthened a couple of months later at Atpur on a Christmas Eve. In Boranagore Mutt, the days were of extreme struggle and hardship. They lived on what chance brought to them. But it could not shake their resolve. Sri Ramakrishna's words constantly rang in their ears. The goal of human life is God realization. Forgetting sleep, they spent the nights in spiritual practices. They immersed themselves in meditation. For God found expression in their devotional songs. Under the able leadership of Swami Vivekananda, these young men took the vows of monasticism and started a monastic brotherhood in the name of Sri Ramakrishna. The determination of those young men has borne fruit in the form of Belur Mutt. Today, Belur Mutt has become the heart of the worldwide spiritual movement known as the Ramakrishna movement. Once, Swami Vivekananda uttered these prophetic words about Belur Mutt. The blazing light of universal harmony that will emanate from here will flood the whole world. The middle of the 19th century. India had been occupied by foreign powers for a long time. Indian culture and its values had got concealed under layers of ignorance. The West, however, saw rapid progress in the fields of science and technology, spearheaded by the Industrial Revolution. Discord prevailed among the followers of different faiths. The scientific spirit of inquiry shook religion and spirituality to their roots. The time was right for somebody to experimentally verify the fundamentals of spirituality and establish the very essential harmony of all religions. Sri Ramakrishna was born on the 18th of February 1836 in the village of Kamarpukur, about 60 miles from Calcutta. He had a spiritual disposition from his childhood and was disinclined towards formal education and worldly affairs right from his early days. In his youth, he was appointed a priest in Kali temple at Dakshineshwar. God is worshipped here as the Divine Mother. Sri Ramakrishna developed a deep devotion towards her. His intense longing culminated in the vision of the Divine Mother. Sri Sarada Devi, popularly known as Holy Mother, was the spiritual consort of Sri Ramakrishna. She was born on 22nd of December 1853 in Joyrambati, a village in West Bengal. In due time, after her marriage with Sri Ramakrishna, she stayed with him in Dakshineshwar and served him as a devoted wife. They lived immaculately pure lives, and their relationship was entirely spiritual. She is regarded as the first disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. Once, Sri Ramakrishna ritually worshipped Sarada Devi as the Divine Mother and thus awakened universal motherhood in her. Sri Ramakrishna's strong inner urge impelled him to follow various spiritual disciplines described in Hindu scriptures and realize God through them. He followed the paths of Islam and Christianity and attained the highest realization through each of them. His spiritual practices led him to realize oneness with God. He then habitually lived in an exalted state of consciousness, in which he saw God in all beings. Sri Ramakrishna expressed the quintessence of the realizations of his 12-year-long spiritual practices in a simple dictum: Joto mot, toto pot. As many faiths, so many paths. As bees swarm around a fully blossomed flower, devotees now started coming to Sri Ramakrishna in Dakshineshwar.
তার বিবেক বৈরাগ্য ঝুলি দুই কাঁধে
There was another group of young boys who later became monks. The foremost among these young disciples was Swami Vivekananda. Narendranath Datta, who was later on known as Swami Vivekananda, was born in Calcutta in 1863. Swami Vivekananda was a prodigy endowed with many talents. He had acquired a vast knowledge of different subjects, including Indian and Western philosophy and history. At the threshold of youth, Vivekananda passed through a period of spiritual crisis. He was assailed by doubts about the existence of God. It was then that he first heard about Sri Ramakrishna. One day, Vivekananda's quest for truth brought him to the doorstep of Sri Ramakrishna. He asked Sri Ramakrishna straight away, "Sir, have you seen God?" The reply was, "Yes, just like I see you, only more intensely." Under the loving guidance of his master, Vivekananda blossomed into a spiritual luminary. Thus began the pure, unselfish guru-disciple relationship between them. In 1886, Sri Ramakrishna passed away, leaving his disciples in deep distress. Swami Vivekananda took up the responsibility of guiding his brother disciples. A dilapidated house in Boranagar was rented. This house became the first address of the monastic brotherhood known as Ramakrishna Mutt. There were 16 monastic disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. The monastic tradition started by them combines some of the best elements of the Eastern and Western monasticism. Its emphasis on service, universal and modern outlook, synthesis of yogas, harmony of religions, and such other features make this tradition a distinctive one. The Ramakrishna Mutt was established, but Vivekananda's mission was not complete. He heard the inner call for a greater mission in his life. After staying in Boranagar monastery for about 2 years, he set out on a long journey as a mendicant monk for the exploration and discovery of real India. During his travels, he was deeply moved to see the appalling poverty and backwardness of the masses of India. It was clear to him that the real cause of India's downfall was the neglect of the masses. After traveling through the length and breadth of India, one day, Swami Vivekananda found himself on the southernmost tip of the country at Kanyakumari. Here, He meditated for 3 days and nights, and the complete picture of his future mission unfolded before him. Vivekananda realized that cultural exchange between the East and the West was vitally necessary. India will gift her spiritual wealth to the West, and in exchange, the West will share the knowledge of science and technology with India. Taking the Parliament of Religions as a God-given opportunity, he decided to sail to America in 1893. His speeches at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago made him famous as an orator by divine right and a messenger of Indian wisdom to the Western world. My ideal indeed can be put into a few words, and that is to preach unto mankind their divinity and how to make it manifest in every moment of life. Swami Vivekananda spent nearly 3 years in USA and England, spreading the spiritual wisdom of ancient India. In 1897, Swami Vivekananda returned to India. In response to the enthusiastic welcome that he received everywhere, he delivered a series of lectures in different parts of India, which created a great stir all over the country. Swami Vivekananda wanted to channelize this enthusiasm. He expressed, "My whole ambition in life is to set in motion a machinery which will bring noble ideas to the door of everybody." On 1st May 1897, the Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda also envisioned to have a separate women's monastic order with Holy Mother Sarada Devi as its ideal and inspiration. His wish for a separate women's monastic order came to be fulfilled nearly half a century later with the foundation of Sarada Math and Ramakrishna Sarada Mission at Dakshineshwar. The Ramakrishna Math shifted from Boranagar to Alam Bazar in North Calcutta in 1892. In the year 1898, it was shifted to Nilambar Mukherjee's garden house in Belur. Belur is situated on the western bank of the holy river Ganga, diagonally opposite Dakshineshwar. It was Vivekananda's dream to have a permanent abode for the monastery and to set up a unique temple dedicated to Sri Ramakrishna, from where his ideology and wisdom would continue to inspire humanity. To fulfill this dream, he acquired a plot of land at Belur. The main site was purchased on 4th of March 1898. On 27th February 1898, there was a celebration in Belur. A procession of monks and lay devotees walked to the newly acquired site. Vivekananda himself carried the urn containing the sacred relics of Sri Ramakrishna on his own shoulders. The urn was ceremonially worshipped, and Vivekananda prayed to his master to sanctify the place with his hallowed presence for the good of many and the happiness of the world. During his travels in India and abroad, Swami Vivekananda had visited many important historical places. And had keenly observed various architectural symbols, icons, and motifs. Swami Vivekananda shared his ideas and vision about the Ramakrishna temple with his brother monk, Swami Vijnananda, who was a civil engineer in his pre-monastic life. Vivekananda pointed out the site for the temple and asked Vijnananda to prepare a plan. He prepared a plan and presented it to Swami Vivekananda, who was immensely pleased. But the work could not start immediately owing to paucity of funds. 4 decades later, substantial contributions came from 2 American admirers of the Ramakrishna movement, Miss Helen Rubel, Bhakti, and Miss Anna Worcester, Annapurna. The construction finally began in 1935. 14th of January 1938. Finally, the day dawned when the temple was open to all, amidst grand celebrations in which people from India and abroad took part. Swami Vijnananda enshrined the pot containing the sacred relics of Sri Ramakrishna in the new temple, thus fulfilling the long-cherished dream of Swami Vivekananda. More than 100 years have passed since the inception of the Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. During this time, the organization has spread in many parts of India and several countries abroad. Sprawling over more than 40 acres of land on the western bank of the Holy Ganga, Belur Mutt is an hour's drive from Kolkata. This is a place of pilgrimage for people from all over the world, professing different religious faiths. The archway at the entrance of the campus from Grand Trunk Road displays the harmony of religions. The asphalted road leading to the shrine is lined with trees on both sides. The lush green campus is a unique combination of serenity and sanctity. Swami Vivekananda envisioned the Ramakrishna temple as a unique monument symbolizing the harmony of religions and harmony of cultures. The architecture incorporates features of a temple, a mosque, a church, and a Buddhist monastery. The temple itself is built in light buff sandstone, which is found in the temples of Khajuraho and the palaces of Rajasthan. The facade or the front portion reminds one of the Gopurams, the majestic towers of South Indian temples. Above the main entrance is an exquisite carving of the emblem of the Ramakrishna order, designed by Swami Vivekananda himself. The wavy waters in the emblem are symbolic of karma or selfless work, the lotus of bhakti or devotion, and the rising sun of jnana or knowledge. The encircling serpent represents yoga, while the swan stands for Paramatman or Supreme Self. The ideal of the emblem is that by the union of selfless work, devotion, knowledge, and yoga, the vision of the Supreme Self is obtained. Above the horseshoe arch encircling this emblem is a replica of a Shiva Linga, and on the 2 sides of the base of this arch are auspicious symbols of elephants with lotuses. The scroll endings above the double pillars at the 2 sides of the main entrance are similar to those in the Sanchi Stupa, conveying Buddhist influence. The 3 umbrella-like domes on the top are built in Rajput and Mughal styles. The curvatures of the roofs resemble the thatched roofs of the village huts of Bengal, depicting the birthplace of Sri Ramakrishna. The windows, the balconies and the domes above the entrance gate are of old Mughal and Rajput fort style. The horseshoe arch and the large main arch of the main entrance have Buddhist influences. These are derived from the entrance of Ajanta's Buddhist caves and have a Gothic curve. As one walks through the main entrance, the eyes move down the row of columns on both sides to the deity sitting at the meeting point of parallel lines. The spacious prayer hall is distributed in 3 parts, like the Christian church. The arched ceiling and pillars are all reminiscent of the Buddhist caves in Chaitya Hall of Nasik Pandulena. The richly ornamented capital of the long row of single and double pillars reminds one of the Orissa style. The beam above is supported by decorative brackets, like in South Indian temples. The projected balcony, supported from the beams by brackets, is similar to those at the palace at Fatehpur Sikri. The sanctum attached to the prayer hall reminds us of churches, especially the plan of St. Peter's Church in Rome. The connected sanctum and prayer hall is uncommon in traditional Indian temple architecture. Inside the sanctum is the marble statue of Sri Ramakrishna, sitting in meditation on a full-bloomed lotus, sculptured by the eminent Gopeshwar Pal. The rectangular altar below is designed by renowned artist Nandlal Bose. The front, left, and right sides of the altar have swans engraved on them. The swan represents the Supreme Self. The circumambulation path outside the sanctum is highlighted by the statues of the 9 planetary deities, resembling ancient temple motifs. Sun, Jupiter, and Mars on the northern side, Moon, Venus, and Mercury on the eastern side, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu on the western side. The roof of the temple is surmounted by a beautiful pyramidal composition of domes and pavilions. The curves of pavilions are similar to the Bengal temple roofs. The central dome is similar to the dome at St. Maria del Fiore in Florence. The golden kalasha, or holy pot, considered to be an auspicious object, is placed on the top of the central dome. The side entrance gates resemble the elephant gateway of the Man Mandir at Gwalior Fort. atop the side entrance gates are the images of Ganesha and Hanuman, the Hindu protector deities. The speciality of the Ramakrishna temple is its ethereal beauty and its balance in architecture. Behind the Ramakrishna temple is the Mutt complex. This complex includes two of the earliest buildings. The Mutt office looks after worship in the temples, festivals, maintenance of the premises, and distribution of sacramental food. Right in front of this complex is a courtyard. Once, after meditating in the shrine, Swami Vivekananda walked back and forth in this courtyard and whispered loud enough to be heard. If there were another Vivekananda, he would have understood what Vivekananda has done. And yet, how many Vivekanandas shall be born in time? In the eastern end of the courtyard is a mango tree that has existed from the time the land was purchased. This was one of Swami Vivekananda's favorite spots. This tree came to be known as Swamiji's mango tree. On the northern side of the mango tree are steps leading to the old shrine upstairs. In the early hours of the morning, the prayer would begin here with the sound of the conch shell. The monks and devotees would gather here every day to attend the Mangalarati of Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna was worshipped in this shrine till the inauguration of the new temple in 1938. The picture of Sri Ramakrishna was placed here later on. The room on the right was originally maintained as Sri Ramakrishna's bedroom. In this room, Swami Vivekananda entered into deep meditation for 3 hours on the day he passed away. Things used by Swami Shivananda were placed here after the new temple was built. Swami Shivananda was the second president of the Ramakrishna order. On the southern side of this room is a veranda. Once, Swami Vivekananda, in a highly awakened state of consciousness, was seen pacing the stretch of the veranda.
Tathapi mama sarvasva Rama Kamalelo.
He was like a valorous soul guarding Sri Ramakrishna. Outside the shrine, on the landing of the staircase, a small wooden lattice leads to a terrace. Swami Vivekananda used to visit the shrine through this terrace. The building adjacent to the old shrine is replete with sacred memories of almost all the monastic disciples of Sri Ramakrishna who lived here. Swami Vivekananda lived on the first floor of this building. Objects and articles used by him at different places have been collected and preserved here. On 4th of July 1902, Swami Vivekananda passed away in this room. He had once told one of his brother disciples that he would remain in this room in subtle body even after his passing away. Coming down the stairs from Vivekananda's room, a pathway runs parallel to the Ganga towards the other temples. The holy feet of Swami Vivekananda and also of other great souls from around the world have trodden this path. Holy Mother visited the Math grounds in 1898, when Vivekananda collected the dust of her feet and enshrined it in the shrine for worship. Adjacent to the pathway are two big trees, Nagalingam and Bangshi Bhat. They were planted and nurtured under the supervision of Swami Brahmananda, the first president of the Ramakrishna order. The Brahmananda temple stands on the spot where his body was cremated. Swami Brahmananda, who was a spiritual dynamo, guided the Ramakrishna order for more than 20 years. Inside the temple is a marble image of Swami Brahmananda. A small image of child Krishna is placed in front of the statue. Sri Ramakrishna had, at the very first sight, recognized Brahmananda as a playmate of Sri Krishna in Vrindavan. Ram Ram Jai Raja Ram, Ram Ram Jai Sita Ram. On the top of the temple domes are chakras or wheels, symbolizing Vishnu's weapon. The Holy Mother temple faces the Ganga, the river she adored. The temple stands on the spot where her body was cremated. Swami Vivekananda believed that with the advent of Holy Mother, the regeneration of the wonderful spiritual energy in modern times had begun. Inside the temple, to the right side of the Holy Mother's photo, is a small picture of Ramakrishna, and to her left is a small Shivalinga. A stone figurine of the Divine Mother Durga is placed in a niche above the door. The Holy Mother's last message was, if you want peace of mind, do not find fault with others. To the south of the Holy Mother's shrine, midway to Vivekananda's temple, stand 3 trees that are more than 100 years old. Swami Vivekananda's temple is a 2-storied structure. Upstairs is a shrine in which an alabaster Om is installed. On the ground floor is a marble relief of Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda Suraye The apex of the temple is adorned with a trident. The temple is built on the spot where his body was consigned to flames. This place was chosen by Swami Vivekananda himself a few days before his passing away. It may be that I shall find it good to get outside my body, to cast it off like a disused garment, but I shall not cease to work. I shall inspire men everywhere until the whole world shall know that it is one with God. To the south of Swami Vivekananda's temple is Samadhi enclosure. This cremation ground is marked by a memorial stone with the names of 7 monastic disciples of Sri Ramakrishna, whose mortal remains were consigned to flames here. By the side of this enclosure is a cremation spot for the monks of the order. A few feet away from the Samadhi enclosure stands the residence of the president of the Ramakrishna order. Every corner of the sprawling campus at Belur Math is steeped in history that is embodied in its many monuments. Further down south is situated Nilambar Babu's garden house, or the Old Math as it is known now. This was home to the Ramakrishna monastery before it was shifted to the present site. This house is associated with sacred memories of the disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. Holy Mother liked the serene atmosphere of this place. She used to sit on the steps and admire the beauty of the Ganga flowing by. Holy Mother stayed here several times. The room where she stayed is now maintained as a shrine. 1893, summer. Holy Mother performed the Panchatapa for 7 days on the terrace of this building. Panchatapa is an austere spiritual practice in which one has to meditate surrounded by burning fire on 4 sides and the sun above. In this old math, Swami Vivekananda composed Khandano Bhava Bandhano, the Aarti song sung during Vesper services in the Ramakrishna order. He also wrote the hymns on Ramakrishna, Om Rim Ritam and Achandala Pratihatarayo. The monastery was situated here from 1898 to 1899. Ganga binds in its flow the spiritual regeneration of humanity that evolves from both its banks in the forms of Dakshineshwar and Kashipur in the east and Belur Math in the west. The holy Ganga has witnessed many an ethereal occurrence in Belur Math. Once, Swami Brahmananda had a vision of Goddess Durga approaching Belur Math from Dakshineshwar. Swami Vivekananda also had a vision of Goddess Durga being worshipped in image form within the Math premises. It was decided at once to conduct the puja. Ever since then, Durga Puja has been celebrated here in the name of the Holy Mother. Apart from Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja, and Shivaratri are celebrated here. The birthdays of Sri Ramakrishna, Sarada Devi, Swami Vivekananda, and all other monastic disciples of Sri Ramakrishna are also celebrated. The celebrations include special worship, devotional singing, and discourses. National Youth Day of India is observed on 12th January, Swami Vivekananda's date of birth. Ram Naam is sung on every Ekadashi day, the 11th day of each lunar fortnight. Besides, the birthdays of Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Chaitanya, and Christ are also celebrated in Belur Math. Once, in a divine ecstasy, Ramakrishna uttered, "Service to man is service to God." Vivekananda expounded, "You may invent an image through which to worship God, but a better image already exists, the living man. You may build a temple in which to worship God, and that may be good, but a better one, a much higher one, already exists, the human body." 1897, just 2 weeks after the inception of Ramakrishna Mission, Bengal was in the grip of famine. Swami Akhandananda organized the first relief camp at Murshidabad. This organized relief made a significant mark in the history of Ramakrishna Mission. For more than 100 years, Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission have been conducting various relief activities without any distinction and have enlightened the world to show an extraordinary ritual of worship. Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission run hospitals, dispensaries, and mobile medical units in various cities, towns, and even in several remote villages. Millions of people are benefited by this service every year. This twin organization is also involved in imparting education through formal and non-formal centers, development of rural and tribal areas. The organization also engages in disseminating spiritual and cultural values through publication of books and journals, conducting spiritual retreats and counseling. The multifarious activities of the twin organization are coordinated and supervised from the headquarters. After entering the main gate, while walking towards the Ramakrishna temple, the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission is situated on the right side of the asphalted road. Besides, the Belur Math campus also houses a charitable dispensary, Palli Mangal showroom, Veda Vidyalaya, seminary, the probationers' training center for novices. In this training center, the novices are put into touch with the traditions of the order, along with systematic instructions in the scriptures and philosophy. The journey to Belur Math is incomplete without visiting the Ramakrishna Museum, just opposite to the headquarters building. Memories of the great persons connected with the origin and development of Ramakrishna movement are preserved here. The museum has on display some articles and artifacts used by Sri Ramakrishna. Holy Mother, Swami Vivekananda, and other monastic and lay disciples of Sri Ramakrishna. As we witness the exhibits, the history of the Ramakrishna movement and its uniqueness in religious history unfolds before us. The sun is setting in the lap of the western sky. Every devout mind seeks the soothing confines of the prayer hall. That enchanting melody of the evening prayer unfurls a wave of devotion. In the spiritual domain sits Sri Ramakrishna, bestowing his grace upon all. In conclusion, we recall Swami Vivekananda's prophetic words again. The blazing light of universal harmony that will emanate from here will flood the whole world.
अरे आज तो सारे के सारे लोग बने हुए हैं, कोई नहीं गया। सिमरप्रीत ने तो अपना पीछे का लोगो भी चेंज कर लिया, बैकग्राउंड। वाह, ओके। मुझे लगा आप लोग चले गए होंगे। कैसा लगा?
सर बहुत अच्छी
Sir, it was nice.
Sir, it was nice. Sir, it was nice. Sir, it was nice.
Sir, it was nice.
Was nice.
सब बहुत अच्छा था। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग।
इंटरेस्टिंग।
तो मुझे वो शारदा देवी वाला पार्ट सबसे मस्त लगा।
मेरा भी क्लास अभी कटेगा मैम, मेरा भी क्लास यस में भी यस गई हूँ यार, बहुत अच्छा था।
ओके,
क्या मैं ना बेलूर मठ गई थी।
गई थे आप?
हाँ उधर हमको भी देखना। Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Veera.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Please.
सर ये जो इनने मैंगो ट्री के बारे में बोला, तो वो ट्री कहाँ पे है?
ट्री कहाँ पर है? अच्छा, जब हम बेलूर मठ में एंटर करते हैं ना तो वहां पर दिखाया था ना, मठ ऑफिस है जहाँ पे सारे वर्क्स होते हैं। तो
यस
उसी-
सर।
सर हम लोग का दुनिया कब आजाद हुआ था?
ये भी मैं बताऊंगा तो फिर कैसे पता चलेगा आपको?
1947.
ऑब्वियसली। तो वीरा, उसी ऑफिस के सामने जब मंदिर के आगे बढ़ते हैं ना, एक कंपाउंड है, वहां पर ये मैंगो ट्री है। आप जब बाई चांस जब आपको जाने का मौका मिले तो आपको दिखेगा ये। ओके।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
सर वो मैंगो ट्री कितने साल पुराना है?
वो मैंगो ट्री स्वामी जी के टाइम से है। सोच लो कितना पुराना हो चुका होगा।
तो सर स्वामी जी कब पैदा हुए थे?
स्वामी जी 12 जनवरी, देखा था ना हमने। अच्छा, स्वामी जी का एंसेस्टर हाउस भी है अलग से कोलकाता में। जब भी आप लोगों को समय मिले, जब भी आप विजिट करें तो आप जा सकते हैं, वहां पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। पंकज सर, आप कुछ कहेंगे?
सर बहुत अच्छा था।
Good evening, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग
Sir, good
गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning, sir.
गुड
Good
मॉर्निंग।
morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
कैसे लोग?
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I joined a little late because I had to plan so many things for you. So, कैसा लगा आप लोगों को सब कुछ आज का सेशन? अच्छा लगा। ग्रेट। तो आज आप लोगों ने एक उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में जाना जिसे स्वामी विवेकानंद ने एस्टैब्लिश किया था, और जो आज भी वैसे ही अपना काम कर रही है जैसे तब किया करती थी, और भी इंटेंसली अपना काम कर रही है। और आप लोगों ने देखा कि क्या क्या काम कर रही है। So today is the day when we shall meet someone from one of such centers. So in the evening, we have our guest, Swami Atma Shraddhanand Ji. So he is the head of one of the ashramas, and he is heading the Ramakrishna Mission Kanpur Center. So that will be a great opportunity for all of us, not just for you, for everyone, that he will grace this 21-day, 19th day, and he will give us his blessings so that whatever we have learned in this 21-day power challenge, we shall be able to pursue it in future. Okay, so he'll be there and answering our questions and queries. You will also get an opportunity to speak, to share your experience about 21-day challenge. So all of you who is sending these feedbacks and your experience doc, we shall find out a few, and you will get an opportunity to share your experience with him, with everyone. and then we shall have some question and answer session. You have already given us a lot of questions, and we have forwarded those questions to him. And apart from that, if you still have various questions, so after the session, we shall open the group and share the form. So you can ask as many questions you can, so that we'll have a good amount of queries and questions when he joins us. And I congratulate once again to all of you that this journey was definitely not possible without your consistent efforts, without your commitment. There was one thing which I would like to say, that when we started this program, when we started this program, we just said one thing, that you don't have to pay anything, but it is your commitment and dedication which is required. And I'm sure you all have shown that, and that's the most important thing about this 21-day challenge. And so now this program is entering in its epilogue phase. So I would request all of you to just be the part of it and enjoy your reward. And on 21st day, we are planning to invite more people, and that will be one of a kind opportunity for you, because that day people who are coming and interacting with them will be the rare opportunities for all of you. So congratulations once again, and we'll meet in the evening. In the evening at 5, I request all of you to please come on time so that we can start. At 5:30, our guest will join us. Meanwhile, you all can send your feedback and reviews, a written one. Okay. So maybe if you are writing on paper, so please type it so that it becomes easy for us to read. So you can send a typed feedback on WhatsApp. You can send us on our personal numbers, and we shall check and let you know whether we are going to perform today or not. Okay, the best ones will be performing, and we have two days, maybe today, tomorrow. We have 3 days: today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So everybody will get opportunity to present. Okay, so that's it from my side. And now, if Shantanu sir has anything to say, he can tell you.
आपको बताया गया था स्टार्टिंग में ही कि आपके जो भी एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, फीडबैक्स हैं, हमको 12 बजे से पहले आप आज भेज सकते हैं. हम बता पाएंगे कि किसको आज शाम को प्रेजेंट करना है, जो कौन कल करेगा या आगे वाले आने वाले दिनों में करेगा. और जो क्वेश्चन फॉर्म है वो अभी ग्रुप में डाल दिया जाएगा, तो आप उसमें भी कुछ
write your questions. And regarding that, sorry Shantanu, I'm interrupting.
Okay, so okay, sir.
I want few students who can sing. Is there anyone who can sing? कोई किसी को गाना आता है, कोई इंटरेस्टेड है, या मंत्रा चैंटिंग करना आता है?
मंत्र चैंटिंग बताया था, शांति मंत्र बताया था तब अभिनव और पावनी.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Abhinav.
Sir, I raised my hand to participate.
हाँ, इसीलिए आपको सिंग आपने सिंग कर सकते हो ना, गाना कुछ आता है?
Okay. So now what we shall do is we shall give you a script, a mantra script, and we shall provide you an audio as well. So the idea is, see, although we would have taken the audio clip and we could have played it, but the idea is if the participant can do that, there is nothing better than that. So if we can just record ourselves chanting one mantra, for example, we have A, B, C, D, E. We have five people. A can chant first mantra, B can chant second, C third, like this. And then you can record yourself wearing white dress, maybe white kurta or maybe white salwar kameez, girls and boys. So you can record yourself. And हाँ मयंक, लड़के नहीं पहनते सलवार कुर्ता, पता है मुझे. Mayank will think like that only. Boys cannot wear salwar. So I said kurta. Boys can wear kurta. Yeah. So तो आप लोग white dress में वो record करेंगे और वो हमें भेज देंगे, ठीक है? उसका flow same रहेगा जैसा आपको audio में मिलेगा. So what we'll do is we shall combine those videos together and entire chant, and we can play. And on 21st day, when we'll have the convocation day, that is known as convocation day. Okay. So on that day, we can start our event with Shanti Mantra, the blessings, and then we shall proceed. So that was the idea in my mind. So if you think that you can do that, please do it. We shall provide the audio and a PDF written mantras in the group. So you can take it from there and accordingly you can record yourself. Is there any question? So
तेजल, आपको क्या पूछना है?
सर हम गाना भी गा सकते हैं और डांस भी करते हैं.
हाँ, गाना भी गा सकते हैं, डांस भी कर सकते हैं. हम करेंगे, थोड़े दिनों के बाद करेंगे, अभी नहीं.
सृष्टि,
डांस करेंगे हम सेलिब्रेट.
तो वाइट कुर्ती नहीं है, वाइट शर्ट है, चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा. You need to just keep your phone in front of you like this and you have to record yourself. Will go.
मयंक,
कोशिश करना कि जिस फ्लो में वो चैंटिंग है उसी फ्लो में रहे, so that सबका वैसे ही रहे तो कंबाइन करने में आसान रहेगा. And it is for 30th of May, so that means you have to give it to us before that so that we can do it. And that day the whole flow will be like you will have the chanting, then there will be people from IQF, so the senior most people from IQF, they will also join. The chairman of IQF will also come and will address you, and then our guests, 3-4 guests are coming. They will also give 5-minute speech, and then you shall get an opportunity to give your experience. Not today, on 30th. Today भी है, आज भी होगा वैसे, बट मंत्रास का हम आज नहीं करेंगे, वो हम 30th के लिए करेंगे. आज तो हम लोग अपना फीडबैक देंगे, वो हम कल भी देंगे, वो हम परसों भी देंगे, तो हर दिन देंगे.
ओके. मयंक क्या है क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir. Sir, I was saying that can I also sing?
ठीक है, वो मंत्र आप बोल सकते हो तो मैं आपको ऑडियो भेजूंगा.
अच्छा शातुन, कितने लोग हैं, उनको आप उनके नेम वो करके उनको पर्सनली भेज देना.
हाँ मैं पर्सनली भेज दूंगा. आप ना जिनने यहाँ, मैं सबसे पूछ लेता हूँ पहले. पावनी?
No sir, nothing for participation.
ओके. सुप्रीत?
I wanted to sing a song. You were saying about that. So what type of songs?
what पंकज सर
See, song तो मैंने बोला नहीं. I said if you know how to sing, so maybe you all can record a mantra chanting.
हाँ सुप्रीत हम वो आपको भेजेंगे, आप ट्राई करिए.
For that you will receive a recording so that you can learn it, the flow, and you can take one of the mantras and record it. So maybe Shantanu sir can give you respective mantras. जैसे उसमें 5 या 6 मंत्रास होंगे तो आपको एक एक मंत्र दे देंगे, आप उसको रिकॉर्ड करना है सिमिलर पेस के साथ, सिमिलर फ्लो के साथ, और वी हैव टू सेंड द रिकॉर्डिंग्स एंड देन वी शैल कंबाइन ऑल ऑफ यू टुगेदर एंड विल make the entire chant of 5-6 mantras together and we'll play when our guests will arrive. So we'll start our session with that. Yeah.
Abhinav Pandey.
Sir, my doubt was that if everyone said the same chanting.
सेम चैंटिंग नहीं होगा, उस पूरे शांति मंत्र में ना 5 शांति मंत्रास है, तो हम आपको अलग अलग एक एक देंगे ना.
Okay, sir, means you will assign us one mantra of the Shanti mantra.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
We can take 5 names, Shantanu, and accordingly you can distribute it. That will be specifically to each member. You can just note down 5 names. People who are ready, they can give their name right away. So I could see there are hands. जिन बच्चों को participate करना है वो अपना hand raise कर लो. अभी 5 बच्चे.
पहले मैं सबके hand.
I guess Shambhavi Jha is one. Then Srishti Niranjan. Then I got Pavini.
Abhinav.
Then Sejal and Abhinav. 5 names are there.
Sejal 2 हैं, Sejal Singh.
अच्छा, नेम सबने हैंड रेज किया है. सुप्रीत भी है, मयंक भी है, वीरा भी है. अब लड़ाई करो चलो सब. अब क्या कर रहा है, अब सर खुजाओ सभी. अब इतने सारे.
सर जो ही फाइनल डिसीजन ले लेगा.
ऐसा करो शांतनु,
हाँ
ये जो नेम है इन सभी को भेजो, इन सबको रिकॉर्ड करके भेजने दो, ठीक है. और अगर सब अच्छे होंगे तो सबके सब लग जाएंगे एक साथ. मयंक है, सुप्रीत है, बिकॉज सी वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ वीडियो ना, तो एक फ्लो होना चाहिए. तो जो बेस्ट फ्लोज में आएंगे सारे वो सब हम ऐड कर देंगे. और अगर जो 2-3 लोग एक जैसा एक ही मंत्र चैंट करेंगे उनको एक साथ क्लब कर देंगे. तो मयंक हो गया, सुप्रीत हो गई, अभिनव, वीरा, सेजल, शाह, पाविनी, दीपशिखा, कलिता, अब बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, सृष्टि निरंजन, शांभवी झा. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, अब हो गया. अब यहाँ पे फ्रीज कर दो, कंप्यूटर ने लॉक कर दिया है. अब कोई आंसर चेंज नहीं होगा.
हाँ, अब कुछ नहीं होगा.
ठीक है, ये नोट कर लो और इनको आप भेज दो शांतनु. और इनको स्पेशली आप गाइड कर देना कौन सा मंत्र आपने वो करना है. अदरवाइज सबने पता चला कोई पहला ही चूज कर लिया, सभी पहला ही अपनी मर्जी से परफॉर्म कर लिए. तो यू गिव देम, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके आप उनको स्पेसिफिकली दे देना कि ये इनका है, 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 ये इनका है.
वीरा क्या कहना है आपको, कह लो.
सर संस्कृत में है मंत्र.
या
संस्कृत में है.
ओके सर.
ओके. अनन्या.
Sir, I want to ask that the name of the mantra is
शांति मंत्र.
Sir, can you send me, as I am teaching Sanskrit, so can I?
You are teaching Sanskrit.
Sir, learning.
Okay, learning.
Okay, आप ना
Ananya is also participating. Ananya will also record.
Sir, if I know that mantra, so can I?
अरे if I know क्या अभी तो you are learning Sanskrit, so I think you should participate. You just go through that and try to get the sense of it and record it, because you will be getting the audio as well. So the audio will give you that support, and based on that you can record and send.
Okay, sir.
जिसने भी हैंड रेज किया था ना, वो प्लीज ऑफिशियल नंबर पे मुझे एक बार मैसेज कर दे, मैं उनको भेज दूंगा, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों के नंबर सेव हैं, कुछ लोगों के नहीं है। तो अनन्या, हाँ, आप सब जो भी लोग हैं करना चाहते हैं वो भेज सकते हैं। ओके ठीक है, हम लोग शाम को मिलते हैं, और क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप ग्रुप ओपन कर दिया जाएगा, फॉर्म उसमें दे दिया जाएगा, तो आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं, बता। थैंक यू।
Thank you everyone. See you in the evening.
Bye. Bye.